In this video, we will learn important data types in SQL Server. In SQL, data types define the type of data that can be stored in a column, variable, or parameter. Choosing the right data type is important for performance and storage efficiency. Here are some examples of column names and what kind of data it can have. First name or last name. Store only characters. Order date. Stores only the date, not number or characters. Phone number. Stores only numbers, not characters. Let's check important data types in SQL Server. First is string or character data types. These are the four important ones. CHAR is fixed length string data type. VARCHAR is variable length string data type. Similarly, nchar and nvarchar are Unicode fixed and variable length data types. It always needs to define with size in brackets. Size is number of characters it can have. Use char if the data is always fixed length. For example, first name, it is fixed length string and can have exactly 25 characters as we defined it with size 25. Use varchar if the data is always variable length. For example, last name, it is variable length string and can have up to 50 characters. Use nchar and nvarchar if the data is always fixed or variable length, and if your data is in non-English languages like Chinese, Arabic or Hindi. Next type is numeric data type. As name suggests, it is used for numeric columns like price, discount, quantity. Based on size, it can be tinyint, smallint, integer or BIGINT. If your data has fixed or approximate precision and decimals, you can use decimal, float or real. If your data has values 1 or 0 for true or false, bit can used. Last important data type is date and time. Again, as name suggests, date can be used to store date values. Time data type can be used to store only time data. And if you want to store date and time both, you can use datetime as a data type. Thank you for watching the video. If you like it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and like Facebook page.